Do you have fat on your thighs and do you have fat on your hips? I mean, if you have thick thighs and big butt, then these simple exercises are for you. I will not tell you to do any torturous or strict exercises like squatting or bending your knees too much, because I know you're a plus size person and you can't do all of that. You will end up hurting your knees in the process if you want to lose your hip fat and your thigh fat. But today the target exercise will be so easy that it will help you achieve your desired results without even putting any pressure on your knees. Not very long ago, when I myself was an overweight plus size woman, I went through too many things which people used to say, but the one that hurted me the most was elephant legs. Yes, once I heard that taunt from a friend, and then that's it. I started going to the gym and doing all the torturous exercises like squatting and everything. But when I did that, I realized the pain was immense and there was no result whatsoever. I cried myself to sleep one day and promised myself that one day I will achieve results, but I didn't know how. So then I discovered these very easy and simple exercises, because of which they helped me to achieve what I have today. The proof lies in the pudding, and these very exercises, as you can see, have helped me achieve this very result: a slim waist, a slim thigh, and an even better hip size. I have managed to lose all the excess fat and now fit into a small size. Today I bring to you the same very easy exercises because you are, after all, my YouTube family. We are all in it together. Now come on, all of you, first comment below. Has ever anybody said anything to you which has hurted you a lot? I don't want to know the comment because I don't want to hurt you again to repeat it. But just write yes in the comments and I will understand. Finally, it's time for me to reveal these simple and easy exercises. We are in this together. If I can do it, so can you. Let's motivate and assertively write in the comment section below, I can do it, and I'm sure you will do it too. Now let's get your thunder thighs back in shape and let's give you a slim hip size too. Come on friends, before we begin the exercise, let me show you a quick and easy warm-up, which is so important before doing any exercise. And because we're doing this exercise with the help of a chair, because we don't want to put any pressure, any stress on our knees, because usually knees are what that suffer when we do strenuous push-ups and sit-ups and whatnot. Even squatting, I won't be teaching you. It's so easy, these exercises, but before that, let's do the warm-up. Let's begin with the first set of exercise. This is a completely knee-friendly exercise. That's why I'm taking the help of a chair, because we don't want any injury or any stress or pressure coming onto your knees. Such an easy exercise which you will love. You have to stand with the chair at a 1 arm distance and you have to rotate your leg like this and make a big circle. First we're going to make it clockwise, then we will go anti-clockwise, and then with the other leg. Let me show you exercise number 2, for which again we have to stand with the chair at a 1 arm distance and push ourselves forward like this. Stretch our legs as far as we can. Now that you've seen these easy and fun exercises, I'm sure you're going to see amazing results with the tightening and toning of the muscle and losing weight and inch loss around your thighs and your hip area. I'm sure after doing these exercises, you must have realized that I only teach easy and simple exercises. Along with these exercises, if you're looking to join a paid weight loss customized tailor-made program which is made according to your needs, your preferences, your likes, your dislikes and your daily routine, then what are you waiting for? Here you will get everything covered. The help of a doctor, dietitian, health counselor, and I am there too. So to join my weight loss program, all you have to do is click on the link given below in the description and you can contact me. Let's begin this journey together with your transformation and let's see amazing results because your health is important to us. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.